What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We focus on Binance Smart Chain over here. Sometimes we go to other chains as well, but if it's on the Binance Smart Chain, we're checking it out despite the Binance FUD. The crypto is decentralized. BNB is not going anywhere. It's one of the most powerful blockchains in the space. Centralized exchange issues or not. In this video, we're going to be checking out Vinci. It is a music platform, and we're going to dive into it, guys. But before we begin, always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. One utility token to power the entire Vinci ecosystem. Novel staking mechanisms provide superior experiences with Vinci products and services and ties the community to Vinci's growth and innovation. Designed for peer-to-peer economy. They raised 1.5 million in a funding round. Okay, that's bullish. 50% of the supply has been staked before launch. Again, very bullish. We could see a supply squeeze with that. 1,000 plus investors supporting our ecosystem. Again, very bullish. Okay, 3 bullish things right there to show I like numbers, and they showing me the numbers. Okay, the Vinci token powers the Vinci ecosystem and provides the ability for a community to engage with our products and services, to obtain real-world value from a virtual assets, to stay connected with Vinci's mission for the long run. The creative industry is the future we want to create. Vinci's goal is to bring all stakeholders within the culture economy closer together to enable direct interaction and value exchange. This becomes possible via the Vinci token. Its utility is designed for all stakeholders to engage with our products, connect with our ecosystem participants, and link. Access to full Vinci experience. Staking provides individuals and partners access to enhanced product functionalities. Creative fan value. Special staking functionalities introduce new forms of interaction and value exchange. Automated spot buybacks. Okay, so this is what's going to help the project stay bullish. Buybacks. Revenue from our product portfolio is used for buybacks, which the value and stability of the Vinci token which brings success of our business, because with more consistent buybacks, the chart will have that stability and will always have that buy pressure, so it could keep pushing upwards, right? They have the Vinci white paper, and they also have their platform. Effectively communicate with your fan base. Vinci offers direct communication channels such as email, push notifications, and more ways to help you connect with your fans in a meaningful way. And right here, like I said, make money with your music. So if you're an influencer, artist, entertainer, those type of forms, this could be the platform for you. Engage with fans, build your community, and make money through one platform. Join the waitlist and use Vinci for free for 6 months. Platform for creators. Unlock your creative potential and showcase your work on a platform designed for creators. Content creators are gonna love projects like this. I can't wait until decentralized social media, decentralized content creation explodes. Vinci could be one of the leaders for that. Community events. Let's take a quick look at this, guys. Hope no copyright music. Let's see.
Thank you so much for coming out. To get started, a little bit about Vinci. So we are a team of people.
Hold on, my apologies, guys.
Thank you so much. Team of people that are really united in one belief, and that is that we can do better in terms of how we support.
And this is CEO right here, Docs, once again. Points for me.
Culture, how we support creators, venues, musicians, and we believe that these tools should be built in Web3, in this new technology. So what we're doing today, we are presenting our first smart ticketing solution.
Nice stuff. So they're letting people know about what the project is about in these live events.
We believe that ticketing is a really...
And this is the thing, it's the same thing in the stock market as well, right? As far as the buybacks go, when companies generate revenue from their working utility, they buy back their stock, which helps the shareholders, which in this case, we're the shareholders, all the people that hold Vinci, right? So yeah, that buyback thing is huge. And as long as Vinci, you know, grows and develops and the utility gets used and revenues generated from the company gets bigger and bigger, you know, those buybacks gonna be huge.
Key access point for Web3 in the creative industries, a key engagement tool and a key monetization tool for creators.
Great stuff, man. I'm not gonna play the full video, but it's great. I like what I see. Quest. Oh, okay, so they use Zeally for people to interact with the ecosystem. Nice, okay. Have their Telegram and their white paper. Let's go to their social media. Where's the Twitter at? Let's see. 50K followers. You just got listed on CoinGecko on the 6th. Is this June 6th this year? And they already got 50K followers. Crazy stuff. Engaging with the BSC community, people like Caesar Calls, big name in the BSC community, shout outs to them. Connecting with them, we could see the engagement, man. Vinci has joined the Google Cloud program and received a grant from Google. Oh yeah, them likes and retweets going crazy. Okay, bullish. a grant from Google. Okay, bullish. Okay. Bullish. Okay, that's what I like to see. Liquidity lock for 1 year. Hey, lock it for 10, 20 years, man. 50 years, man. Keep that locked up, man. Vinci rewards liquidity providers with up to 4,000% APR. A grant from Google is huge, man. And I like what I see as far as the engagement. They're very active on Twitter. They have a ton of likes and retweets. Hey, Vinci team, man, if y'all want to work on a little partnership where I cover you guys and updates, hey, feel free to reach out in the email, man. I like what I see from this project. This looks very bullish. And like I said right here, received a grant from Google. Oh, that's bullish, man. Sitting at 50 million market cap, 69K, 24-hour trade volume, around 2x up from the first. So yeah, this could be a potential 10x right here. Zero taxes, you know, liquidity lock for a year, clean contract, very clean. So yeah, potential 10x from here, 15 mil to 150 mil market cap. I wouldn't rule it out. Who knows? It could potentially go to $1 billion market cap too. Is it already on CoinGecko? I saw the CoinGecko listing. I want to see if it has like full breakdown of the tokenomics. Let's see what we got tokenomics wise. Okay, here we go. So total supply, 100 bill supply. Total supply right now 3.7 bill. Chart looks very bullish. Chart looks very bullish, man. You could get 3 million Vinci for $500. You get is that 3 million? Yeah, that's 3 million Vinci, man. Could absolutely crush it. Who knows? It could go to $1 billion in market cap, man, from here. And then $500 goes absolutely bonkers. Let's see. 66x, 500 times 66, 33k. That's a huge win in my opinion. 33k from $500, and that could be possible, man. It really depends on how much as long as the Vinci team puts in that work, delivers on what they say, and the community is focused, stays active. You never know, man. 10 to 100x from here. You never know. You just never know. But it looks bullish to me, very bullish. If you hold Vinci, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.